The buttons let me play different notes. See, the thing, Jimmy, about my job is that I don't have a boss. I
Wow! I'm so excited about this. Before we get to start the career day with the crocodile, Mr. Aragon, I have a question for you. Do you
Okay.
like pizza?
Yeah, I love
Yay!
pizza.
Excellent answer. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like Hawaiian pizza.
Hawaiian. All right. Well, Mr. Aragon, now we can get to some more questions about you and what you do. The first question will be, what is your job's called?
My job is called private trumpet instructor.
Private trumpet instructor. Okay, and what's the coolest part of this job?
Oh man, there's so many cool parts of my job, but the main cool part, I guess, is that I get to play this instrument, this is that trumpet. I get to play it and teach it every day of the week.
Every day. Oh my goodness. Can I see what the trumpet looks like?
Yes, the trumpet looks like this.
Wow, and it has the buttons. What do the buttons do?
The buttons let me play different notes. So kind of like a piano that has a lot of different keys. On the trumpet, we need the buttons. Otherwise, we would only be able to play like 5 notes.
Oh, that sounds amazing. So another question that I'd like to ask about, what would be something that you want young people to know about your job?
Ooh, okay. What I would want young people to know about my job, such a great question, is that to be a real successful musician doesn't mean you have to be a superstar in a famous orchestra. You can do things like what I do, like make a website and teach the trumpet, and you can have a very good life and be very happy. So there are many ways to make music a career.
That's awesome, because I think some people, they watch like the Instagram and the Facebook and stuff and the TikTok, and they think they have to be exactly like the big stars, and that can make you kind of sad.
Right, exactly. It's so difficult not to compare ourselves to the big famous people all the time, but those people are really just like 1% of people. There aren't that many of them.
I see. Well, that's helpful to remember. Miss Aragon, do you ever want to leave your job and do something else?
No, I love my job. There's nothing else I would rather do.
That is so awesome. I can tell. Okay, let me see. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, who tells you if you did good or if you made a mistake or if you're in trouble?
Oh boy. Well, see, the thing, Jimmy, about my job is that I don't have a boss. I
That
I
sounds
know.
awesome.
I am my own boss. So in a way, it's cool because I don't have a boss telling me when I do things wrong or when I need to get better at something. But on the other hand, it's also can be a little hard sometimes because I have to remember to tell myself that I need to improve at something or get better. So I just have to be alert and make sure that I'm doing the best that I can.
That sounds like it's really cool, but sometimes it could be kind of hard to get. Okay. I do have a question because I know that I think that you do lots of different things. And I'm curious, do you have any hobbies or any other talent or interests that you like?
Oh, yeah, I have a few hobbies. My first hobby is learning French. I have actually have a teacher myself, like someone just like me, a private teacher, but she teaches French to people. And I love learning French and I have learned a lot. So that's one of my hobbies. The second one of my hobbies is cross stitching. Do you know what that is?
No, I don't know. Is that like how you make the puppets?
Oh, that's very similar. Good job. That's really, really
Ah,
similar. Um, so cross stitching is when you take a piece of fabric and you put thread into it to make anything you want, any drawing that you want. So like I made this one.
that's amazing. Oh my goodness. How long
And
did
if you
it
look
take you?
really, oh, this took me about a month. It does take a bit to make. Um, but it's called cross stitch because each little square is actually an X, like a cross. And if you look really closely, you may be able to see that.
Oh my, that looks so good. Wow. So you have the
So
cross
that's that
stitching.
one. Yes, cross stitching is very, very fun. And absolutely anyone can learn to cross stitch from little young kids to grandparents. So,
Wow. That's
and
awesome.
then, oh yeah, I love doing Legos. Actually, I have one of my Legos right here. Do you want to see it?
Yes.
Oh, let's see. We're going to put him right here and we're going to bring the camera down so you can meet him.
This is so
So,
amazing.
so this one is a little robot guy from Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Yep. And his name is D-O.
G-O.
Yes.
Wow.
And D-O is one of my favorite robots or droids from Star Wars because he used to have an owner that wasn't so nice to him, but then he met Rey and all the good guys in Star Wars and he made new friends. So it's that's why I really like him so much.
That's so cool. And, oh my God, you can turn your head too. How long did
Yes, he can move his head.
how long did it take you to make these things?
This one actually didn't take me very long. It took me just a few hours. It's pretty
Wow.
small.
Wow. It seems like you like to make a lot of different things and you make the music too. That's awesome. So, Miss Aragon, do you think you could teach me how to do something at your job?
Ooh, yeah, sure. I can teach you how to do something. So let's see. So the trumpet is a little difficult to play, but there are a few cool things that you can learn to do on it pretty early on with very basic skills on it. So I'm going to teach you one of those things because it's really funny.
Awesome.
So we all know from cartoons and movies that little sound they make when someone slips on a banana and it goes wah, wah, wah.
Yes.
That's such a funny sound. We can actually do that on the trumpet. So I'm going to teach you how to do that one.
Oh my
Now
gosh.
for this you can just use your hand. And you have to put your hand over the bell, which is this part here. And for each note, you're going to have to open your hand to make the wah sound.
So what?
Wah, wah, wah.
Awesome.
Instead of using my hand today, I'm actually going to use this.
Miss
Do you know what this is?
Aragon, what are you? That doesn't go for the trumpet. That's for the bathroom.
You're right. This is a plunger, right? It's the bottom end of a plunger without the stick.
Uh-huh.
This is a brand new plunger. I just want you to know
Okay,
that.
good. I'm glad you're being careful.
So we're going to play 3 notes. The 3 notes are G, which is no valves,
G.
F sharp, which is the
Sharp.
second valve, and F natural, which is the first valve.
F natural.
Okay, so one more time, we're going to play G,
G.
no valves, F sharp, second valve, F natural, first valve.
Awesome.
So first, without the plunger, and look what it's going to sound like.
Okay. That was
Okay.
cool.
And now step 2, we're going to add the plunger to each note.
This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Woo. Wow.
And there you go. And that's how you make the funny wah sound from cartoons and movies.
Oh my gosh. I have a trumpet here somewhere. I'm gonna practice this today. And also, Miss Aragon, this has been amazing to talk to you. I was like, do you think you could play something like some more music for us?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Let me go ahead and, I'm sure you can tell by now that I am a big Star Wars fan.
Star Wars. I'm going to watch that today after the interview.
So good, so much fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a very famous little song from the Star Wars movies.
Ooh.
All right. Are you ready? You have your popcorn?
I'm ready. Oh, I don't have the popcorn. I'm going to get the... Go ahead. We just have to do it without the popcorn. Wow! Oh my God, that was so cool! Oh my God, that would thank you so much, Miss Aragon. That was so awesome. Oh, how long have you been playing the trumpet?
21 years.
Wow, it seems like such a fun instrument. I can't believe it's all like metal. It just, I don't see any other things like on the violin or the guitar, it's like wood, but this is all metal. And it seems like it might hurt your lips after a while.
It doesn't really hurt. You just have to, at the beginning, you can get a bit tired, but as you play more and more and you get better, you can play for a long time, no problem.
Well, oh my gosh. So, Mr. Aragon, if somebody wants to hear more of your music, or if they want to learn trumpet from you, or things like that, how do they find you?
Ooh, so probably one of the best ways to find me is on YouTube. So my channel on YouTube is called Trumpet Headquarters.
Trumpet Headquarters. I got to write it down. Trumpet Headquarters.
Trumpet Headquarters. And I'm also on Instagram as Trumpet Headquarters. You can find my website, trumpetheadquarters.com, and also musicfitacademy.com.
That's like so many websites you have to keep up with. I can't believe it. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. For Miss Aragon, thank you so much for being on Career Day with the Crocodile. It was so wonderful to talk with you, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.
Thank you so much for having me. It was awesome talking to you too. Thank you.
Bye.